Made a mistake on a past payroll? Don't panic. ADP has specific tools to correct errors, whether it's an overpayment, underpayment, or wrong tax amount. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The key tool is the Payroll Adjustment, or Correct a Payroll, feature. You don't just rerun payroll. You create an adjustment that corrects the specific error for the specific pay period. For overpayments, you can process a payroll reversal or set up a repayment plan. For underpayments, you can run a separate, off-cycle payment for the difference. My crucial pro tip: correct taxes proactively. If you under-withheld taxes, use the adjustment tool to correct the employee and employer tax amounts in ADP. Then, consider covering the employee's extra tax liability yourself to maintain goodwill. Always correct the tax filings to match. Methodical corrections keep your payroll records and tax filings accurate. What's the most common type of payroll error you've had to fix? For more problem-solving guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.